The new RoughinBox is the result of a collaboration between Marketer and Polar Building Solutions. Now, see for yourself how easy it is to install a RoughinBox. If using the wiring port, select and cut the correct wiring inlet port to accept a 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch cable as required. Normally, the line setup in the evaporator is oriented from right to left. To facilitate the connection of the line set to this, select and cut only the left-hand line set inlet port. Select the drainage connection option required and remove the closure cap by cutting it off at the designated place. Remove, invert, and replace the 4 mounting adapters. Mark the minimum distance between the evaporator and the ceiling on the studs, according to the manufacturer's instructions. To ensure correct drainage, the base of the RoughinBox must never be above the bottom of the evaporator. For the RBX2 SD, cut an opening in the stud facing the drain outlet to attach PVC, copper, or flexible drain hose as required. Screw the 4 mounting brackets into the studs to fix the RoughinBox firmly into position. Cut along the top sides of the faceplate and the center indicated portion of the bottom edge. Then fold it downwards towards you to provide an opening which gives you full access to the interior of the box. Install the line set through the left port and the electrical cable, which can go through the same port if desired, or through one of the wiring ports as selected, leaving enough slack to connect both line set and cable to the evaporator. Close off the aperture by refitting the faceplate into the vertical position and use the 2 plastic clips provided to retain it in place. Connect a PVC or copper coupler or flexible drain hose to the selected drain outlet fitting. Connect the balance of the drainage system, ensuring that the drain is completely clear, there is sufficient slope for correct drainage, and all joints are watertight. During sheetrocking, the installer will frame around the RoughinBox, which will remain closed until all finishing and painting operations have been completed. Cut along the bottom hinge to remove the faceplate completely. Mount the evaporator bracket and use the extra evaporator bracket support if necessary. Connect the evaporator line set. Connect the electrical cable. Insert the drain hose from the evaporator into place inside the sloped drainage sump and fix it securely. If a pump is needed for condensate removal, the faceplate can be used to provide a mounting base for the reservoir and for the pump if required. Simply attach the reservoir pump assembly to the faceplate and then clip it into the integral mounting slots at the bottom of the RoughinBox. If rear access from another room is required for maintenance, just cut out the rear faceplate of the RoughinBox. Then cut a corresponding hole in the sheetrock and use the TPX 004 plastic cover, which is available as an optional extra, to close it off. Now, your installation is complete, quickly, easily, and professionally. Using a RoughinBox ensures you have a premium mini-split installation every time.